Ungazi ukuthi i-favorite yababa bekuSiyacela.
Umsiba uwona ngawufundi efana nomyeni inkinga iqale ey'nganeni zikamamkhulu. Awuphakela umonde
wayengekho ngikhuluma nobaba usikhona asikhulanga ndawonye
bayeka abafana
bayeke phela
ozobanika mahalo
kwesinye isikhathi uzusabe nanokuthi ngowakadlamuka.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we delve into the latest development in South African reality television, that is the return of the Dlamuka family to Moja Love with the new reality show. Following the controversial Isencane Lengane, the Dlamukas are back, but not everyone is thrilled. In this video, we'll explore the public's reaction, the show's content, and the broader implication of its return. So guys, please note, as you can see on the screen, it returns on Saturday, the 11th of October. I really cannot wait. I honestly cannot wait. So it's one of the things that we'll enjoy watching. Yeah, because we've grown with the Dlamuka, especially Thando Nosiyacela. We grew with them. Now they are adults. So let's see what the whole family has to bring for us, because I can see that they are sisters, other brothers that we don't know. So it's good that to see that it's good that we'll get to know the other rest of the family, their characters, how they are, and all of those things. So we thank Moja Love for giving us this show. So now, after the conclusion of Isencane Lengane, Moja Love has announced a new show featuring the Dlamuka family. The show is titled Isizwe Saka Dlamuka and aims to provide an in-depth look into the family's life, challenges, and dynamics. However, the announcement has sparked a wave of reactions from the public. Many viewers have expressed concern over this family's portrayal in the media and for the potential for further controversy. So social media platforms have been abuzz with discussions about the new show. Some viewers have expressed excitement about the Dlamuka's return, while others have voiced concern over the potential for continued drama and controversy. As we all know, if you follow Isencane Lengane, we know it didn't end well because of things like abuse. Siyacela was abusive. The family dynamics are not okay, because it's like someone is being abused, but no one is rising up to protect the victim. Maybe because the person with the abuser has money, has power. We don't know, but it didn't end well the last season. So I guess that's why Moja Love is shifting to the Dlamuka family, so that we try and see what the family is all about, and maybe see where all of this abuse is coming from, whether things have been rectified. Because I know that in the last show they claimed that Siyacela was being reprimanded for abusing Uthando, but let's see, maybe it's gonna be revealed in this new reality show. So one viewer commented, I quote, "I'm sure Moja Love can give us better content, because wow, I don't want to see Thando and Siyacela." And then another viewer wrote, "I wonder what made Moja Love think that people would be interested to know more about this family." I close quote. So these comments reflected the divided opinions among the audience. So Moja Love describes Isizwe Saka Dlamuka as a reality show that aims to reflect real life stories and contribute to discussions on societal issues. This channel emphasizes that the show does not condone any acts of violence or intimidation. Despite these assurances, some viewers remain skeptical about the show's intentions and the potential impact on the public perceptions of the Dlamuka family. So the return of the Dlamukas to the reality television raises important questions about the ethics of reality TV and the responsibility of broadcasters in portraying sensitive issues. It also highlights the power of public opinion in shaping the success or failure of television programs. As the show progresses, it will be interesting to see that to see how the Dlamuka's family story unfolds and how the public continues to respond. So guys, what do you think about the return of the Dlamukas? Thank you so much for watching up to this point, and we thank you for joining us in the return of the Dlamuka to family to Moja Love. If you find this video informative, please like, comment, share, subscribe for more content, reality television, and public reactions. So guys, to my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for being there and always being there for the page and watching. May you keep your notifications bells on, and may you also like, share, and subscribe. For those who haven't subscribed, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. So let's see what Moja Love brings for us on the 11th of October. I can't wait, and I will be doing an analysis each and every episode for you guys. In case maybe for those who don't have DSTV, or for those who just like analysis, let's engage in the comment section and talk about these societal issues, because it might affect anyone's family. My family also, I see my family in Dlamoga's family. Someone else could see their family in Dlamoga's family. Someone maybe has never seen that happening in their families, and they can help us remedy the situation. And I believe in this channel we have psychologists, psychiatrists, anyone, any qualifications, we can help us make our channel better. Thank you so much, guys. Until the next one. Bye.